Welcome you guys. So in this lecture we will discuss about the remaining root modifications. So those are parasitic roots, and along with the parasitic roots in this lecture we will discuss about epiphytic roots also. So first we are starting with the parasitic roots. So what about parasite? What is the meaning of parasite? Parasite means, so those are depend on other organisms, so we call as parasites. So here the roots are also parasites, means they depend on other plants, right? So for the purpose of taking food material or water, so sometimes both. So based on that, so we are called as parasitic roots. So these are the roots. These are in a not having chlorophyll. So these are non-chlorophyllous roots. So these are the roots, they depend on other plants, and it is taking all the water and food material from the other plants. So with the help of some structures, so that structure it is called as hastoria. So this hastoria, it is enter into the host plants inside the xylem. So this hastoria, it is enter into the xylem of the host plant, and then it will obtain entire water from the plant. So with the help of this hastoria structure. So here the parasitic roots, again we are classified into two types. So complete parasitic plants and incomplete parasites also. So what are those? What is the difference between a complete parasite and incomplete parasite? So first we are going to discuss about a complete parasite. So complete parasitic plants. So complete parasitic means, so here from the host plant it is taking both food as well as water. So with the help of this structure, so that's why we call as a complete parasite. It is taking both of from the host. Taking water and food from the host, we call as a complete parasites. So examples for these, so complete root parasite is Rafflesia, right? Complete stem parasite is Cuscuta. So both are complete parasites. These are taking both water and food from the host. So what about incomplete parasites? So incomplete parasites means, so it depends on the host organism for the purpose of taking either food or water. It is taking only one content, so that's why we call as those are incomplete parasites. Food or water from host plant. So examples for incomplete parasites is, so incomplete root parasite is Striga, and incomplete stem parasite incomplete stem parasite is viscum. Right? If you will see the diagram of striga, so it is about the host plant. So from the host plant, so it is a parasitic striga plant, right? So it is obtaining the either food or water from the host. So that's why we call as it is a incomplete parasitic plant. So it is about a parasitic roots. They depend on other plants for the purpose of taking either food or water, right? So next we will discuss about a remaining root modification. So that is about epiphytic roots. So what about epiphytic roots? In some of the plants, some plants are grown in branches of big trees. So why they want to grow in branches of big trees? For the purpose of taking sunlight. So is called as epiphytic roots. So sometimes these are the epiphytic roots. It is having a long branches, and sometimes it is having a short branches. So based on that, we are classified again into two types. So those are, if it is having a short branches, so those roots. So the short branches, it is helps in a fixation, to fix the plant into the branch of a big tree. So these roots are called as climbing roots. So these are the short branches. It is helps in fixation of plants on branches of big trees. We call as a climbing roots. So some plants, it is having a long branches. So these are helps in absorption of moisture from the atmosphere. So those types of roots are called as velamen roots. So velamen roots helps in absorption of moisture from the atmosphere, right? So it is about velamen roots and it is about the climbing roots. Here the climbing roots helps in fixation. So here the velamen roots, it helps in absorption of moisture from the atmosphere. So here the velamen cells are, those are it is having a dead tissue and it will shows hygroscopic in nature. Hygroscopic means it will easily absorb the water from its atmosphere. So that's why easily it is taking moisture from the atmosphere, right? So example for velamen roots is Vanda. Vanda, it is a plant, so it belongs to the family Orchidaceae. So it is a diagram about wonder plant. Right. So it is about epiphytic roots. They depend on other plants for the purpose of taking a sunlight. Right. So I hope it is helpful for you guys. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.